55 kilo from November Bravo 2 Whiskey, clear takeoff 27 left, wind 210 degrees, 8 knots.
Clear takeoff 27 left, speedbird 55 kilos.
So this is a parlour suite on the 45th floor of Vdara. For those that don't know Vdara, this is the no smoking hotel, non-casino hotel, but it is just across the traffic roundabout there from Aria and connected to Cosmopolitan and Bellagio, so it's very well situated. Right, we come in from the front entrance and we have a little kitchenette. Down here we have the no touchy minibar. Well, unless you've got deep pockets. The brilliant thing is you get your own fridge to put your own drinks in. I shall be topping them up later. We have a sink, hob, which I won't be using. I also think you have to pay for coffee here. A microwave, reheat any of that food you bring back. Nice little table with some glasses and ice bucket, a couple of chairs, nice little seating area. I'll come in and I put the blackout blinds and the curtains up, or the drapes as Americans like to call them. And then we have just a quick look at the view. Beautiful view of Bellagio fountains, the Sphere, Eiffel Tower, Bellagio itself, Bellagio pool. And then we come round this little bit here. Have a lovely looking, comfortable looking bed. Connectivity, we have this iPad which controls a lot of the room. We have at the bottom, see my face there. You'll see ugly me. You have the USB-A and the USB-C. Next to that we have two standard plug sockets. Nice looking telly, looks, ooh, I don't know, 40 inch. That's not too bad. A few cupboards, drawers. Does Vdara has not had a refresh, I don't think, since it was built, so you can see it's definitely showing signs of wear and tear. Ironing board, generous helping of a few hangers. We have a safe, no one's left anything in it. You can put your grandma jewels in there. On the other side of the bed we have the telephone. Can't see any USBs this side, so we have just standard plug sockets. Big drawer, don't know what that is. Oh, another drawer. Down the bottom there. And we have some lights just above the bed, some reading lamps. Just love that view. Got a lion bed, and look at that. And a lovely, luxurious looking bathroom here. Some more closet hanging space. Nice giant soaking tub. Just one sink, so if you like the his and hers, his and his, hers and hers type of sinks, it doesn't have one of those, it's just got the one. Shaving and makeup mirror. A couple more plugs there, same down there. There's some products there of body lotion and body wash. We all know what one of those is. And you have a big old shower with like a seating area so you can do your feet and bits or whatever. Some products down the bottom there. There's no take-off shower head, so you can't sort of like rinse the undercarriage, as it were. Okay, you're just stuck with a regular shower. But this is Vdara Studio Parlor Suite. It's not really a suite, but I suppose so, because it's got a living area. On the 45th floor here at Vdara. Just off, set back from the Las Vegas Strip, which you can see just over there.